Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today laid the foundation stone for the revamp, redesigned and refurbishing of the State Central Library complex in the presence of Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh. The laying of the foundation stone is part of one-year anniversary celebration of the NPP-led MDA 2.0 government. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister assured that the government will provide additional funds for development of the premises of the State Central Library to provide a platform for the talented youth in the field of arts and culture to nurture and showcase their talent. Sangma also informed that they will come up with a movie theatre at the Ususutham Auditorium, adding that a total number of 30 movie theatres will be set up across the state to promote the local film industry.
But it also is the 6th anniversary for the MDA government as a whole, because it was exactly on March 6th, 2018 that the government in MDA 1 was sworn in and MDA 2 was a year back. But it has been a very, very long and very, very exciting, challenging journey, and we've seen many ups and many downs. But of course, looking back at these past 6 years, there are a lot of things that we are very happy to see that things have moved forward in the right direction in spite of the challenges.
MDA